Jai Srimanarayana. 66th sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Nasti buddhihi ayuktasya nachayuktasya bhavana नचा भावयतः शान्तिः अशान्तस्य कुतः सुखम् ॐ One whose mind is not focused on Sri Krishna Paramatma can never attain self-perception or self-meditation. When there is no self-perception and self-meditation, there won't be any peace of mind and there won't be happiness in the life. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma reveals the best option in 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a vote to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, O Srimanarayana, I shall focus my mind on your divine feet. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanopetamapeta-krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, because Devendra became Vahanam of Puranjaya, Puranjaya's another name became Indravahana. Puranjaya also known as Kakutsa. So that Puranjaya's son's name is Anenu. Anenu's son's name is Prudhuvu. Prudhuvu's son is Visvagandhi. Visvagandhi's son is Chandra. Chandra's son is Yuvanasva. Yuvanasva has 100 wives, yet he did not have children. Because of that, Bharyasatena nirvinna rishayosya krupalavaha. Yuvanasva went to forest along with his 100 wives. There Ishtimsma Vartayam Chakruhu Aindrim te susamahitaha. There some of their rishis, they felt gracious on Yuvanasva, and they all did one Indra Yajnam with Yuvanasva. While that Yajnam is going on, one of those nights, Yuvanasva got very much thirst. He went into Yajnasala. There he found one kalasam in which there is water. All the Ritviks were sleeping. Yuvanasva drank all that water. But that water is mantra jalam. Ritviks invoked some mantram into that water, by which it got Pumsavana Shakti. That means those who drinks that water will give a birth to male boy. That water was made ready by Ritviks for the wife of Yuvanasva, whereas Yuvanasva himself drank without noticing, without knowing that. After that, in the morning, all the Ritviks got up and started checking with everyone who drank that water. They all came to know that Sakshat King Yuvanasva drank that water. So they felt that Ishvaraya Namaschakruhu Aho Daiva Balam Balam. They felt that maybe this is what is Paramatma's Sankalpam. So they did Namaskaram to Paramatma. They could not do anything and they just kept quiet. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 66th sloka. Nasti buddhirayuktasya nachayuktasya bhavana nacha bhavayatas shantihi ashantasya kutas sukham. Nasti buddhirayuktasya nachayuktasya bhavana nacha bhavayatas shantihi ashantasya kutas sukham. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.